Aasalamualaikum guys. How are you? Comment it out. How are you guys? Because you're watching is just not going to be satisfied me. Because what I am doing is for you guys, not for myself. Don't take it so seriously. Just I'm just kidding. But I wanted to comment it. Just wanted to see your comments, guys. So here is the implementation bar demonstration of numeric literals. What I already learned you. So to demonstrate numeric literals, here I want to declare a equals to 0. This is the binary literal, the first one I declared here. 0, C, for example, 10101. Okay, here I mistake. Just want here A equals to 0, B, 10101. It accepts because C is not going to take it out. And second one is I want to declare B as decimal literals, that is 1, not 2. The third one is octal literal, which I wanted to declare as 0, 4, 3, 1, 0. That is the octal literals. And the fourth one is hexadecimal literals. Don't be forgotten what is that, what those things are. If you wanted to learn that kind of video, be kind enough to comment it, guys, because I will ensure you that I will make that kind of videos itself with the easiest way of how to implement in a program. Okay, my god, I just forgotten here. I don't want it to be here. Oh, it is 0, guys, so I wanted to copy the same function. I just wanted to print out. Let us copy and paste here. So this is not. Oh, it is 0. Instead of it is 0, so let's say it accepts. So here I want to print out. It is case sensitive, guys. Be careful because the case sensitive program will not work. It is a bit of mistake. So let's say numeric literal, integer literals, integer literals. So I want to print out the whole value A, comma B, comma C, comma D. Okay, here now the integer literal. So the value of A 0, B1, 01 is 21, and 1 or 2 of the value is the same thing because that is the decimal number which could not be printed the real value. That is the real value itself, the 2 are not 1. So the octal value is 00310 is 200, and the hexadecimal value is the 0x12c is 300. Okay, so I want to implement here float. Float underscore 1. Let's say then variable name as 20.5, 20.3. Okay, it is also float number. 20.3 is a float number. Any number with decimal point is float number. Wanted to be print here as a float underscore 2. And what, for example, I just give here 1.5 e. Let's say 2.5 e is the value numeric constant. It is a constant. E is a constant. So we want to print out the float literals as comma e comma float underscore 1. So just wanted to copy here. Just don't want to make the video huge. Just wanted to make it simple, to learn it simple. print out here also. I just have to put here comma, and here quotation begins, quotation ends here. Okay, here parenthesis is going to be end at that last one. So the value of itself says 20.3 is the same as I declared. 20.2.5 E2 is changes because E value, as I told you earlier, is going to be changed. I think E value is somehow around 10 point something. That's why I printed to 250. So this let's be. I wanted to print out complex literals. The third part of the numeric literals, and last but not the least, let's say y equals to 1, 2 plus k 3.14. That is the value of pi j. Okay, j is a direction which defines the complex number. Print complex numbers with colon, comma, also here a quotation. Here the value of x would be printed here, x. I just took there's some mistake because it is not x. For my convenience, I had taken that as y. Just wanted to copy and print out here, paste here. Here y is y. The answer is 2 plus 3.14 j, as I have written in the program, that is in the variable value. So here print, let's say again, to define the imaginary and real part of the complex number. So it is going to be an x, which is the imaginary part. Okay, of y equals to, with double quotes ended, and here I taken as y, so I just changed it here the value as y, okay, y dot imag. Imag is the keyword to define the imaginary. So real real part, real part of x y equals to here, ended with double quotes, x dot real. Okay, so here I'm just taken that it's not ended with y dot real. So here the program completed. Syntax error. What I done here? I just be forgotten to put the comma here. Just wanted to let me to copy this entire function. Just don't be confused, guys. It is an easiest part of the program. Don't be confusing, guys. P here I just forgotten to put here. Now the program completes it. No, guys, I want to put it the both at the middle of the program. P here also. Let's say it works. It works. So 3.14 is the imaginary part, which is with J. Real part of the Y is which is 2.0, which is the value of 2. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you.